the United States men's Olympic basketball team, it is their second exhibition game as they prepare for Rio just under 2 weeks away. We are at Staples Center in Los Angeles on a blistering hot 85-degree day in Southern California. You are watching U.S. basketball presented by Nike. It's the U.S. men's team against China, a team the United States will face in its opening game in Brazil on August the 6th. Jordan looking for the block, and he gets it. DeRozan mishandled, got it back. DeRozan of the Toronto Raptors in the starting lineup here tonight. Nice move by DeRozan as he goes glass. Here's Thompson, did not shoot well the other night and hits on his first attempt from downtown. Nice backdoor pass. Durant getting it to Cousins. It counts in the foul.
The oldest play in the book, pick and roll. The only way you're going to get in game shape is at the defensive end. Nice travel three there by Kevin Durant. You got to pick up the ball. You got to get it done at the defensive end. The offense is easy for this team.
Durant, yes. Kevin Durant from downtown. Durant putting a move on to set it up for Butler for three.
Collapse the defense with dribble penetration. Have shooters on the edges. Nice move there by Durant to find Butler in the short corner.
G-Way not able to hit. The rebound is missed by E. And here's Thompson with the lead out. Butler for the U.S. to extend to a 23-10 advantage. Second quarter is underway. Here's Thompson on a quick release. So Klay Thompson hits another three. Thompson again from downtown. The game coming up against the U.S. in Oakland on Tuesday, followed by two pre-Olympic exhibition games in Brazil, up against Australia and Lithuania. Off the break, it counts in a foul. Lowry on the assist from Jordan, and Kyle Lowry of the Raptors will go to the line looking for a three-point play. Lowry unable to complete the three-point play, and that is legal.
Yeah, they could have tipped that off there. When the ball is dangling around the rim, you can knock it off. It's not considered offense basket interference.
Jordan with the foul. Jordan following the missed tip by Barnes. Here's Irving able to penetrate and then makes it home.
How many times did we see that in the NBA Finals from Kyrie Irving?
Oh, nice move by Jordan. DeAndre Jordan spinning his way. Nice pass inside, and DeMarcus Cousins with the step. George not able to hit. Cousins right there again.
I know our own Jared Greenberg is going to have an opportunity to talk with the Admiral David Robinson at halftime about his experience as Kevin Durant knocks down his third three in this first half. What a move. Oh. See the versatility of the bigs on this Team USA. We saw DeAndre Jordan with a nice spin move finish with the left. And then there's DeMarcus Cousins.
Irving comes across, down to two, down to one as he goes to the crossover and scores. And the officials say it counts. He just did beat the buzzer. So the ball back to the U.S. and they're able to break down court. Green with the setup from Jordan. Barnes for three. It's tipped over to Butler. Kicks it back out. Lowry fires. Yes, Kyle Lowry.
I was more impressed them winning those two games versus Cleveland in the conference finals after totally getting blown out in games 1 and 2.
Harrison Barnes got the step.
Oh my goodness.
Jordan in the stuff from the inbounds thrown by Lowry. Blow off the head fake. Driving on Lowry. Rejected by Jordan. And Irving will move it across. Guarded by Guo. Anthony. Catch and shoot for three.
Struggled in that first half from beyond the arc. That's his second
field goal for Carmelo. Now 2 of 7. He has 5.6 rebounds. U.S. gets it down in a hurry. Thompson is open for three.
Job by Durant, recognizing that Team China had their backs to the basketball and just drove baseline and found Klay for a wide open three.
Here's Cousins. That was rejected. And Thompson able to hit. Thompson got the step. Thompson on the drive. Durant, Anthony, they whip it around. Irving on a nice move. Yes. Unset. Whoa, flying as he was faked out.
Nice pass there by Boogie Cousins, by Kyrie Irving. They're going to count that basket.
Good ball movement. Here's DeRozan back on the floor. Able to go baseline. Now DeRozan, another player who can handle. Moves it across off the pressure. Finding it open. Durant. Yes. Kevin Durant from downtown. Anthony has the mismatch on Guo. Spins in. Finds DeRozan. And he hits. Guo Iwan. Right back. Kevin Durant on the fast break. Here's DeRozan at the other end. He scores. Yes, and it counts. And he will head to the line.
I like the comments he made to our own Steve Ashburner. Talked about, it's time for me to open up a new chapter. Brilliant move there. DeRozan there with a nice smooth scoop.
Here is DeRozan with the scoop. Beautiful move by DeMar DeRozan.
I hope Adam Silver and the committee kind of looks at that we've been seeing on offensive rebounds. The shot clock resets to 14 as opposed to 24.
Barnes Harrison Barnes with a nice move. That's his second field goal. He has 4 points. And it's stolen by Lowry. Lowry pulls it back. Jordan. Pass. It counts on the foul. Beautiful pass by DeAndre Jordan to Harrison Barnes, who will head to the line.
And this is the type of unselfishness that you're going to see from this team, USA.
Jordan, it counts to the foul. So DeAndre, who's had his difficulties at the line, comes up with an air ball.
Now I wonder if he's going to have to worry about Hacker Jordan, the international style. No, teams won't Hacker Jordan.
106-57 victory for the United States. They led by as many as 54 coming off a 37-point win against Argentina. So they go 2-0 in pre-Olympic play as Coach K and Doug Hung and Giannis Christopoulos, the assistant coach for China. Some parting words, and they will see each other again on Tuesday night at Oracle Arena in Oakland.